Here we have a 21 plate BMW M340D XDRIVE. Now this vehicle comes with over £4,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website, but they include the Shadowline Plus package. We also have the technology package, 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels in excellent condition and with the red M Sport brake calipers. We also have the white exterior paintwork, we have the LED headlights, 2 gloss black front grills. There's a look at the front end. We do also have the M Performance kit, which includes the gloss black front splitter, the gloss black side skirts. We have colour coded door handles and the black door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. We also have the shark fin antennae up top. We also have the rear spoiler lip as well, if we take a closer look just there. Coming around to the rear, you find we have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display and also a reversing camera. We have the rear diffuser at the back along with the dual legs exhaust, and if you press this button just here on the remote, then the boot should pop open like so. And inside of here you find we have plenty of space. It does go quite far back. We have storage pockets on the left and also on the right hand side. If you close that boot back up, we have a handle just underneath here to make it easier to close. And then walking back round to the driver's side, you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if you take a look then at the interior, having a look at the back first, you find we have the full leather interior. We have the foldable armrest in the centre and the fixed ISO points. We also have the ambient lighting on the doors. We have the climate control just down there for the rear passengers. M Sport style seat belts. We also have the premium Harman Kardon sound system. Again, the ambient lighting, electric windows and the brushed metal door handles. If you take a look at the front, again, you'll find we have the same full leather interior. And both the front seats are heated, and there is a look at them. We also again have the same electric windows, child lock for the rear, electric power folding mirrors, again the premium sound system. We have the automatic lights, the automatic wipers, and multifunctional steering wheel, which if we take a seat inside, then you'll find we have the paddle shifters on either side. We also have the digital dashboard in front of us. If you put our foot on the brake, press the start button, then the vehicle will start up for us. You can see we have the speed limiter and the cruise control as well on the left hand side. We also have the high beam assist on that stalk just there. And as you can see on the digital dashboard, we are free from any warning lights. We do also have a heads up display just here, if the camera will pick it up. Now if any of the screens are flickering, it's just the camera. They're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. So on the main screen, you find we have the sat nav. We also have the shortcuts down here. Click onto the media. You find we have the media for the radio stations, Spotify, and also the Bluetooth audio. The Bluetooth phone connectivity just there for making phone calls. We also have all these apps that are currently installed on the vehicle. Go back, you find we have the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. Go back onto the main menu, go onto Car, go on to the settings. This is where you find we have the interior ambient lighting with plenty of colours to choose from just there, as you can see. This button just here will activate the intelligent safety. As you can see, we have the intelligent safety, which makes it a very safe vehicle to drive. We also have the different drive modes down here. So as you can see, we have the adaptive drive mode. We have the Eco Pro, Comfort and Sport, which has the Sport Plus setting as well. And if you put the car into reverse, you find we have the reversing camera along with the front and rear parking sensors. Putting it back into park and moving further down, we have the climate control just down here, the ice cold air conditioning, heated seats as well on either side, working as they should do, as you can see. And inside of here you find we have the wireless phone charging. We also have the 2 cup holders, a 12-volt connectivity and a USB port, which can be closed just like so. Automatic gearbox for the parking sensors button and the traction control button. We also have the electric handbrake and the auto hold button just there. Nice leather armrest in the centre, which can be opened up for more storage. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this 21 plate BMW M340D XDRIVE. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you expect it to. Now as you can see, I'm not having to fight with the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. We're not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, but staying straight and true. We do have the multifunction steering wheel, which has the paddle shifters either side, so if you want to set the car into manual mode, tap one of the pedals and it will change gear. We do have the speed limiter and the cruise control buttons on the left, volume buttons on the right, digital dashboard here in front of us, which can show different displays that you would have seen on the photos. And above there we do have the heads-up display, which is currently showing the digital speedo. We also have the traffic signs on there as well. We do have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, which really does sound incredible. And if you do listen carefully throughout this video test drive, you'll also notice we'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We do have the full leather interior throughout this vehicle, which is very comfortable. You can either do 2, 3 or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both the front seats are also heated, which is perfect for them cold winter mornings. We do have the main screen here in the centre, currently showing the sat-nav, but again we have plenty of other features on there that you would have seen on the photos. And below there we have the 3-zone climate control with the ice-cold air conditioning, perfect for the hot summer days. We do also have plenty of other features such as the wireless phone charging. We have the ambient lighting, automatic gearbox with all the different drive modes. Now we're about to take a right hand turn, so we put our right indicator on, slow down and then make the right hand turn onto the industrial park. So if we perform an emergency stop now in 3, 2, 1, hold on to the brakes, and then if we put the car into reverse, we've got the reversing camera just there, back into drive with no issues whatsoever. And if this video hasn't answered all your questions, please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with running through some inquiries with you. But that's all from me today. Cheers.